Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Butler and I'm here to share with you all the portfolio I have created. This is my homepage. At the top I have my name, beneath there I have a menu selections tab. I have an image of myself, and then if you scroll down a tiny bit I have a welcome as well as an introductory paragraph. This paragraph basically highlights my major, my minor, and a few other things I'm passionate about to get to know me a little more. Beneath there I have a link to my resume, so if you click on that button it takes you to the resume tab. Here is a snapshot of my resume, and then if you're interested in downloading a PDF version, all you have to do is click the Take a Look button. If you also want to get back to the homepage, all you have to do is click Kristen Butler. At the bottom of the home, I also have a link to my LinkedIn profile in case people want to connect with me. It takes you right there if you click on that. I have an About Me tab. So in the About Me tab, it basically highlights things that you wouldn't necessarily find on my resume to get to know me a little more. So I talk about my time and involvement in Gamma Phi Beta, which is a sorority on campus. Here is a link to the Gamma Phi Beta website in case you're interested in learning more about that. I also talk about tennis and the impact it has had on my life. I volunteer for an organization called Grassroots Tennis, and here is a link to that website as well in case you're interested in learning more about what that organization does. And then I quickly talk about my involvement with club tennis on campus. I also decided to include an interactive map into my portfolio. I like maps and I also love to travel, so I thought this was a unique way of highlighting both of those things. This Maptive is a media creation tool that you are able to use maps and use it in many different ways. So here, check it out. Click that button, it takes you right to the map, and you can click on each little icon and it shows you the image of the area as well as the actual location. It's a very easy and fun tool to use, in my opinion. I then have my artifacts. So you click on artifacts. There you can either scroll down and see them all. I did 12. So here is a brief overview of instructional technology as well as why I feel as though it's important. Beneath there, I have a snapshot of every single one of the artifacts I have used. If you click on an individual artifact, it takes you exactly to the tab. So here is an example. In my interactive timeline, I have a snapshot of my artifact, and then beneath each artifact I discuss my process as well as the advantages and disadvantages I feel as though the tool have. So going back to artifacts, I'll use my infographic as another example. Here's a snapshot, and then you click Take a Look and it sends you to the external site of that. And then I'll do a quick video example of an artifact. I'll use the Powtoon. You click Take a Look and it sends you right to the external site. And then the video and audio are both. That's another example. And so yeah, that's a brief overview of basically all the artifacts I did. I did numerous videos, images, as well as graphics. And then if people want to get into contact me, I have a contact me slide that goes right to my email. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.